Let me show you just how easy this carpet cleaner is to use. I'm using the pet stain and odor antibacterial cleaner that came with it, as our bedroom carpet has some gross spots. All you do is fill the tank with water and then add the concentrate to the top and give it a good shake. So easy to install. And using this machine is a breeze. It has a button on the back to pull it backwards, and then you just go. It has a handle at the top that you hold and that will spray, and the entire time the bottom is spinning and sucking up all the dirt and debris it comes across. Now, I vacuumed before I did this, but it still pulled up a remarkably large amount of cat hair, and it also pulled up so much dirt. I knew our floor was dirty, but I didn't realize how much. So I got halfway through the room on one tank, and this is what I pulled out in that first run. Just gross. I had no idea. So I kept going. I refilled the whole thing really easy, cleaned the rest of the bedroom, and actually went over all of the carpet twice in a final round just to suck up any excess moisture. The carpet dried remarkably quickly. By the end of day, it was pretty much all dry. It smelled so clean, and I'm actually making these comments a week after I did this, and it still smells super clean, not overly carpet cleany. I was really glad with that antibacterial Bissell cleaner. It was a really good cleaning agent to use, and I couldn't have done it all without this machine. Again, you can see how much came out of it. I can't believe I put off getting this for so many years because it is a game changer. I'll leave the tanks open so they all dry out and nothing grows in them, and I'm good to go for next time. The BISSELL TurboClean upright cleaner is amazing.